Good morning from Joy. I brought her in a minute ago just to see if she would fly. Nope. She weighs 8.4 ounces, which is a little high for now, but we're working on it. She's on a little bit of rations, and hopefully she'll be jumping again, won't ya? She's like, I freaking hate you. I hate you so much. But yeah, it is the, oh goodness, 9th of March. I didn't really record yesterday, to be honest. I recorded like a few clips, but no, so it's a long-ish vlog tonight for you. Tomorrow, no. When will it go up? It'll go up tonight. For me, as well as you. Yeah. Oh, it's confusing. Mango might just be one of my favourite birds. She's one of the oldest. I think she turns 5 this year, or 6. I'm not sure. But she's lovely, she's such good-natured. African spotted eagle owls are like the best thing ever. She's a bit... I keep saying she. I think it's a boy, because he keeps on hooting. But I think, because it's season at the minute, he's not really bothered. You're more bothered about sitting and talking to Colb, aren't you? So hopefully in the next month or so, mating season will be gone. And then we can go flying again, because you're absolutely freaking lovely flying. Yeah, she's such a pretty little thing. It's going to be hard to try and adapt it, so it's he and not her. Because we've had her so long, I always thought it was a girl. But I don't think so anymore. Do you, Mango? She's such a freaking lovely birdie. She's currently £1.9, which is a bit high for a flying weight, to be honest. Her flying weight's normally about £1.8. But she's amazing. I appear to have lost my bar now. Can anyone see her? Oh, hello, little love. What are you doing up there? Hello. What's she doing? Hello. Let's get you down. She's a right little bugger, isn't she? Look at her. She's like, ha ha, ha ha, mother, I got you, ha 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 ha. Good girl. First time out with him for a while, and I couldn't ask for better weather. Look at it. It's so nice and warm. You happy? He's got a little leg. He's got a little leg in his foot. He doesn't like eating legs on me for some reason. He'll go somewhere else and eat one, but he just won't eat it on me, which I don't really understand. But he's been such a good boy. He's actually got some manners for the first time in a while. Deep hooting to Tango, Tangy, Mango. Good girl. Come here. Mango. Good girl. You can tell it's spring season when Kobe starts hooting. Ooh. Oh, there's a helicopter. The helicopter's so much more interesting, isn't it? Ooh. Ooh. You're not going to do it now? You awkward. Yeah, hello. Goby. Ooh. You can also hear Mango in the background as well. Ooh. You like to just pose, don't you? You don't care about anything else, just posing. Hey? Oh, good boy.